All right, in this lesson we're going to be talking about percent change, one of everyone's favorite topic. Okay, so percent change is a ratio that compares the change in quantity to the original amount. So you see the equation, percent change is the amount of change over the original. How do you find the amount of change? You find the final amount subtracted by the original amount, divided by the original amount. So, Mr. Hewlett, why the heck do we need to know percent change? You see percent change all the time. So if you go to a store and you're shopping for something, which you may or may not have done if you live in a cave, maybe you've never gone out and been shopping, even if you're shopping for something online. So a store's going to buy something for original price. They're going to mark it up, usually, so they can make a profit, hopefully, and then sell it. If you wanted to find out what percent change or how much they marked it up, we could use the percent change formula. Or if there's a sale, if they say it's 70% off the original price, you can find the percent. If they just say, if they don't give you the percent off and you see it's discounted, we can find the percent markdown. So there's markup when they charge more to make a profit, or there's a discount, or when they mark it down and you're finding something on sale. Let's do first discount. So let's just say you found an electronic device that was normally $70. Okay. And now it's on sale for $50. Okay, what would be our percent change? So let's go back. So again, it's the amount of change over the original amount. So how do we find the amount of change? We find the final amount subtracted by the original amount, the price it started off at, and then divided by the original amount. So it went from 70 to 50, so our change is 20. Now that's easy. Now finding out what the original price, sometimes in a word problem be a little confusing, but you're looking for where it started off at, and so this one's easy. So it's over 70. You're not looking for the bigger or smaller number, you're just looking for the original number. Then you're just going to divide, turn a fraction into a percent, divide the numerator by the denominator. So we're just going to cross out those zeros, divide 2 by 7, and we get approximately now this is an irrational number, meaning it goes on forever. But to find the percent's out of 100, so we're going to multiply by 100, so it's around 28.6% discount or markdown. So if someone were to ask, oh, what percent did you save? It was at $70, it went down to 50. What percent did you save? You saved around 28.6 or around 29%. Again, how did we find that? We found our change. It went from 70 to 50. That's a $20 change. Okay, $20 change. Your original amount was 70, so it's always going to be on the denominator. So divide the numerator by the denominator to find the decimal, and then we can use Dr. Pepper or just realize percent means out of 100, so it's around 28.6% change, and it's a markdown or discount. Okay? So what if we went from $100, you bought some shoes, and you, before everyone else had a chance to buy them, and so $100 shoes, the store sells out, and you realize you want to make a little extra money, and you're able to sell it for $160. Good for you. If you wanted to find your percent change, on this would be a markup, and same concept. We're going to go look for the amount of change and over the original amount. So our change went from 100 to 160, so our change is $60. And again, it doesn't matter which number is bigger or smaller. Wait for the bell to pass. Doesn't matter which number is bigger or smaller. Our original amount was $100 because that's what you originally bought them for. And so it's 60 over 100. Now this percent change is kind of easy because we're trying to find the percent, but percent means out of 100, so it is 60%. It's a 60% markup. Good for you. All right, so again, looking at percent change. Excuse me. Percent change is a ratio that compares the change in the quantity to the original amount. To do that, it's always change over original, change over original. So to find that, you find the final price subtracted by the original amount and divide it by the original amount. As we saw in this one, change from 100 to 160 was $60. The original amount was 100, so it's 60 over 100. You could divide 60 by 100, you're still going to get 0. You're going to get this. Percent means out of 100, so it's 60%. All right, well, this is how you find percent change. So I hope this has helped. If you have any more questions or need additional help, you can feel free to email me at jhewlett@leisd.ws. Thanks.